Okay, the final video will show us how to change a start or end date and also explain a little bit about the notes. So Joe Blogs here, we have realised that the start date we recorded was an error. The course actually started a week or a month before the date that we'd actually written on the form. So if we click on the yes, we can put the new start date. So we'd accidentally recorded that it was starting on the 12th of October, but really it's starting on the 12th of November. So we can just type in that information and put any comments at the bottom there, made in error or whatever else. That's literally all we need to do, and it is literally only for errors. We cannot change, shorten or lengthen courses for this academic year. So quite easy to make that information, make that change. Okay, so that's for Learner 1. Again, if we wanted information to change information for Learner 2, we could now click on the Learner 2 tab, fill in the top boxes, the top rows here to inform MI which learner we were wanting to make changes for, select the yes next to whichever change we wanted, as we have looked at in the other clips, enter the information on the new rows and save the changes and send them to our line manager or unit lead. Now I just also want to show you the end tab here. The last tab is called Notes. If we click on the one that says Notes, you will see that whichever box, actually at the moment there's one showing, which I can see because these are blue, that it's the Make Aim Transfer Notes. I'm just going to hide that one for the moment, and I'm going to click on this one, the Complete Learning Aim Notes. If I click on that, you'll see that this is all yellow, the same colour, so there's notes next to or along each row that explains what information you should be filling in to each box if what you were wanting to do was to complete a learning aim. The same, if I hide that one, click on the Make Aim Transfer, notes next to all of those, hide it, withdraw a student, again notes next to all of those, hide it, and obviously the same for record a break in learning or change a start end date. So if you are unclear, that would be the first place to look to see if the information provided there helps you to understand what you're supposed to do. If it's still not clear, then please contact your unit lead or your line manager, who will be able to support you to complete the form. The most important thing to remember is that we do need these forms to be returned when in a timely fashion. So if a learner leaves, if you're changing an aim, if you're recording a break in learning, 3 weeks is the absolute maximum for returning a change. 1 or 2 weeks would be better. It's very important for us to stay on top of our funding for this year. Though we have lots of changes to funding, with lots of changes to qualifications, etc. So thank you very much for your support with this. You will receive these forms and instructions to go alongside in the very near future. Thank you.